Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna review this smartwatch. I got it today, and this one is Mibro Lite AMOLED display. This one is the first watch in this category that has AMOLED display, which is very nice. Here are some specs. If you want to see, you can pause the video and you can check these out later if you want. So the cover is almost of this plastic. So this is it right here, guys. Looks very nice actually. So let's just unbox this. This is the watch right here. Let's just see what's inside the box first. So this is the QR code. We have to download the app from Play Store, and then we'll scan this QR code, and then it will be the watch will be synced to our phone. This is the charger right here. This is the original charger that came in the box. This is the user guide right here. You can see that here are some features mentioned. So let's just take this aside and see this watch first. It looks very nice, guys, actually. So the strap is it feels pretty good. Let's see how much is this. I hope you can see that. You can see that it is 20 right here. So guys, looks very nice. Let's just turn this on from right here. Yes, English obviously. Okay guys, so I have tested the features of this smartwatch. They are very amazing to display. Actually, it's very beautiful. It actually looks way better in real life. It is AMOLED, of course, that's why it looks very good. I have tested IPS watches. I have looked them and used them later, but this one looks very better and very amazing. So you can change the watch faces from the app. I have connected this to this my phone to the watch. You can change the watch face for whatever you want. This one is it actually looks very good. This one I really like this, but you can change it to whatever you want. For example, I have downloaded this. So look at we go to watch faces. So I have just installed that. What you have to do is you have to just click this for for 5-6 seconds, maybe whatever you want. You can also install custom watch faces. You can see this one is the custom. I have installed it and it looks very nice. You can definitely see that. You can see it looks very nice. This one you can choose whatever you want. You can customize anything. You can even download you can even choose whatever picture you want. I will show you that right here. You can see that, guys. You can choose whatever you want. Maybe I want to choose this. I can do that. I can just do this, and you can see it will start installing right here. Actually, the quality of the watch is very good. Metal sides, and the rubber band also feels very good. But one thing I want to tell you, that these rubber bands are not very good in warm weather. You can get you sweaty a little bit. You can buy extra bands from online. You can buy that. They will fit. These are 20 which is easily available in the market. You can buy whatever color you want. This one is black. I am going to switch to the red one because I really like the red one, and not this one. Actually, the rubber band it's not very good in warm weather. Maybe it is better in cold. Definitely is better in cold, but not right here. So overall the quality is good and it feels very premium. The look and everything, the features are good. AMOLED screen obviously, and most people forget about the heart rate feature. They forget to tell you that if it is good or not. I have tested it. I think it is alright, not the most accurate one in the world, but it's very good. It actually tells very accurate from the meter you buy from the medical store or whatever, but this one is pretty close, not the 100% accurate, but it is very close, way closer than many other. So as you can see, the wallpaper is installed. You can, it looks very good. You can choose custom wallpaper which looks very nice. You can see that you can even change the style and positioning. You can see if I do this and install, it will just take a little while for it to do this. So guys, overall features are great. If you want to buy this, definitely go ahead, do that. It is very good. No regrets at all. Right now you can change there are many customization settings which are very good, but I'll update you after a couple more days. I will update you the battery timing of the device. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe for more amazing latest videos, and peace out.